Welcome to Unveiling the Money Mind, unlocking your wealth potential. Money, we all want it, but how can we truly unlock our wealth potential? Imagine a life where you have financial freedom, no debts, no worries, just abundance and opportunities. Let me tell you a secret, it all starts with your mindset. Your mind is a powerful tool, and when it comes to money, having the right mindset is essential. Think about it, if you constantly focus on scarcity and lack, that's exactly what you'll attract. But if you shift your mindset to abundance and prosperity, you'll begin to see opportunities everywhere. It's time to start changing the way you think about money. First, let go of any limiting beliefs you may have about money. Understand that wealth is not reserved for a select few, it's available to everyone, including you. Next, develop a positive relationship with money. See it as a tool that can create positive change in your life and the world around you. Take control of your finances. Create a budget, track your expenses, and start saving. Remember, small steps can lead to big results. Invest in yourself. Education is key. Cultivate valuable skills and never stop learning. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who also strive for financial success. Collaboration and support can propel you towards your wealth goals. Lastly, embrace risk. Calculated risk can lead to incredible rewards. Be bold, take chances, and trust in your abilities. You have the power to transform your relationship with money. Embrace abundance, take action, and watch your wealth potential unfold. Thank you for watching Unveiling the Money Mind, unlocking your wealth potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on creating a life of abundance and financial success.